how to turn off notifications on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera and then click this three points here. Not three points, this Opera icon, and then click this settings, and then go down until you find the notifications, and here you will find the Opera notifications. Just click on it, and now as you see, Opera notifications has been turned off. And that's how to turn off notifications on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.